Good morning from North Carolina. This is part of my garden after the rain. We had a heavy rain yesterday, but the plants loved it. So here are some of my cacti and succulents, and I have to put some of them under the shed because I don't want them to drown. But here are some of them still. These plants were under the shed during the heavy rain because I don't want to drown them. But the humidity was so high, it's like 90s right now, and seem to be loving that. And then I have my cucumber here, my pepper, the mint, the basil, and this one is my spider plant, which my husband just dug outside and it's growing. I have some seedlings here of the red pepper, which were from what we use for cooking. And then there's my avocado seed and my mango seeds, one, and then the other one there. And I have some ginger here. These are my husband's roses and the succulents and the chrysanthemum. This one finally had some blooms. We didn't know what's going on with this. It's been years. It has grown, but it's only now that it's flourishing with flowers. Then I have here a mini rose which was given to me sometime this month. And look, it has a bud there. Those are my lilies, which usually bloom in July. My sambac, which I trimmed and starting to flourish again, and some of my cuttings taken from that plant, the sambac or the jasmine or the sampaguita. And those are my dragon fruits, which hopefully one day will give me fruits. That's from my friend who gifted it to me. She's from Hawaii, but I believe she got it here in mainland. This is which I forgot the name, but this is the one with the nice or lovely red or pink flowers. That's my Carmela. That's my Irish, which I tried to contain in a pot because it seems to like flourish in the ground, which like overcome all the other plants. That's my pineapple top, which I love to grow after eating the fruits. This is my peach tree, which has some fruits, and hopefully it will grow and the birds won't go ahead of me. And that's my other dragon fruit and my pineapple and other pineapple tops. And there are more over there. Let me show it to you. This is my banana plant. Another cactus there, which I have to reposition. Another sambac. This is my calamansi plant, or the calamondin. This is my lemon, and another calamansi, another pineapple top, more there, and my aloes and other cacti, my other sambac there, and that's my magnolia tree, my Hoyas. The big ones are in the front of the house. My Christmas cactus, actually the Thanksgiving, and then the Christmas cactus there, which is so picky. My staghorn fern, I think it's Ripsalis. This one hopefully will flower for me, the epiphytes, the epiphyllum. My coconut orchid, which flowered for me, but I know it will have a hard time to do it again because I changed the location. This is my Encyclea tampensis, my cattleyas, and that one just finished blooming. More orchids there. The succulents. My Hoya. And then this is like the onion plant. Let me give you the full update. I'm trying grapes this year. That's my fig tree, which I don't know what to do to help it really grow into a tree. My blueberries. My other peach, which has like one fruit there. And my other fig tree. So, thank you guys for watching. May you like and subscribe, and the Lord bless you. Thank you.